If your marketing feels scattered, some things working, others not, no clear direction, you're not alone. Most small businesses end up reacting instead of leading, trying a little bit of everything, hoping something sticks. It gets expensive, it gets confusing. What you really need is a roadmap, a calm, focused plan built around your actual business goals. And that's what we build, the real issue. You've tried boosting posts, maybe hired an agency, ran some ads, posted a few blogs, but now it's hard to tell what's working, if anything. You're not trying to waste money, you just want to make smart, informed moves. That's where this roadmap comes in. At Greenlight Studio, we build a 12 to 15 month marketing plan tailored just for you. No templates, no fluff. First, we sit down with you. We have 2 deep dive strategy sessions. Then we research your audience, your competitors, your market. Then looking at all that from our experience of actually doing marketing for other companies like yours, we deliver a step-by-step action plan that you can actually follow. You'll know what to do, when to do it, and how to get it done. And we'll help you decide how to action that, whether you use your internal team and they're sufficient, or you need to bring in some extra support. And the result? You'll finally stop second-guessing your next step. No more spinning your wheels, no more wasted spin, just a clear path forward, built to match how your business actually runs. So if that's what you've been looking for, let's talk.